Introducing Neo smartpen M1, a pen that seamlessly digitizes what you write on paper. Neo smartpen M1 comes with a charger, 2 pen tips, a user manual, and a trial sheet. Charge the pen for 30 minutes or more before you start using it. While the pen is charging, download Neo Notes app from the App Store for iOS, Google Play for Android, or Microsoft Store for Windows. Now, let's turn on M1. You have 2 options to turn it on. 1. Press the power button. Or 2. Open the cap. Again, you have 2 options to turn it off. 1. Press the power button until it's off. Or 2. Close the cap. Or you can leave it idle for some time. Now, let's open Neo Notes. Allow the app to turn on your Bluetooth function if it isn't already. Register your M1 on Neo Notes. Your device will start searching for M1. Once your pen is connected, the icon will stop blinking and turn white. Tap Pen Pressure Calibration to calibrate the pen if needed. You can always reset your calibration data in pen settings. You are now ready to use M1. Enter a password if required. You can set a password later in settings. Take out your N notebook. Open your N notebook and start writing. Once you start writing, a notebook will be created automatically. Inside the pen, there is an infrared camera that captures your writing. Holding the camera to face the page assures the best recognition. Now, let's try writing on N notebook. M1 can differentiate between pages and notebooks, so you can write as if you're using other pens or notebooks. Simple and convenient. You can adjust color or thickness of the pen stroke. All you have to do is press the palette for 2 to 3 seconds and choose what color you want. If you can't see the color palette, tap the screen. There are many things you can do once your writing is digitized. You can transcribe your handwritten notes into digital text. Tap Language to download more languages. You can also replay your writings or the audio recorded during the writing. Search your notes on Neo Notes by tag, by keywords, or browse through the calendar view. Share your notes in various file formats. Sharing options will vary depending on the applications you have. Erase unnecessary notes and highlight important ones with colors. You can change colors, thickness of handwritten part, and add annotations digitally. Simply check on the mail icon on your notebook to send an email from your device. Set your email address and settings. When M1 is disconnected to your device, it will capture all your writing data to its internal memory. So that when you connect to the app again, you will find all your work in perfect shape. You can can create a new notebook on the app and fill it with pages you want. Copy, paste, or delete pages to file important notes in a notebook. Lock away notebooks when you are done using them, or if you decide to use another notebook of the same type. This prevents your notes from overlapping in the app. You can unlock the notebooks from Notebox whenever you like. You can automatically upload your notes on Evernote, Google Drive, Adobe CC, and more by choosing Autosave options from Settings. From the main menu, go to Settings and tap Authentication Center to activate your Google Drive. Then tap Backup and Restore and toggle on Google Drive. You can check and reset your calibration data in the pen settings. Tap News and Tips to find out more on the latest app updates and tips on using Neo smartpen. Find out more at www.neosmartpen.com. Check out a wide variety of end notebooks you can use with Neo smartpen. End code papers are also available online for free. Check out our website and follow the steps to print more than 10 different types of paper format. We are planning to expand our lineup. It's easy to change the pen tip. Pull out the used one and push in the new one. Go to Pen Information, where you can do pen settings.